Hitchiner, they definitely working with employees. They're making sure that employees growing with the company. And that's exactly what happened with me. Going back 19 years ago, I started as a rough inspector and moved through several positions through the company. They offer educational packages, assistance. I received help paying for my first associate's degree, followed by bachelor degree, and then finally with my master's. I started as a shop floor employee and work my way through to the position that I'm in today. So any shop floor employees, any students coming from high school, especially those that actually don't know what their goals are, it's really a good opportunity for them to start working here, meet our entire team, Hitchiner team, who will actually help them, assist them, answer their questions, and work with them. I enjoy everything in this position, I really do. I feel always welcomed here. I love employees I work with, my co-workers. This is my second family.